Prologica implemented an innovative BI solution for a client that ensures millions of subscribers around the globe. Power BI dashboards allow management to monitor strategic metrics. Analysts can drill to reports for each subject area. Historically, analysts had to rely on IT to provide queries. Then, an analyst would load the data in Excel to analyze it in silos. This was a tedious and error-prone process. InSight transforms the company's data into a key strategic asset. Powered by SQL Server and Power BI, InSight delivers a single version of truth. It includes over 300 measures that can be analyzed with different tools, including Excel pivot reports, operational reporting services reports, and Power BI interactive reports. Besides the reports delivered by IT, users can leverage the Power BI capabilities to create their own reports. With a click of a button, they can change visualizations, such as from a chart to a tree map. And novice users who are not familiar with the model can ask natural questions, such as, what's the average time to file claim by state? Users on the go can access their data anytime and on any device. They can examine dashboard tiles in detail and add annotations to share feedback. Contact us today to learn how Prologica and Power BI can transform your business.